How to fix Monopoly Go airplane mode not working. First things first, open up either your Google Play Store or App Store. Once you're in the App Store, tap on the search bar and type in Monopoly Go. It should pop up in the search results. When you see the Monopoly Go app icon, go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to the app's page. If there's an update available for Monopoly Go, you'll see an option to update the app. Make sure to do this if there's an update waiting. If updating didn't fix the issue, try uninstalling Monopoly Go and then reinstalling it. Sometimes a fresh install can do wonders. If it's still acting up, try holding down the Monopoly Go icon on your home screen. This will bring up some options. From the options that pop up, tap on App Info. This will take you to some more detailed settings. In the App Info settings, look for an option called Storage Usage and tap on it. Once you're in the storage usage settings, you'll see an option to clear data. Go ahead and tap on that. If after all these steps the issue persists, it's possible that the developers of Monopoly Go have already fixed the problem in a recent update. Keep an eye out for any updates from them. So, there you go. Hopefully, those steps helped you fix the issue with Monopoly Go in airplane mode. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.